Today, I came across this home-style recipe and decided to give it a try since I happen to have all the ingredients in the fridge.
These vegetarian crispy chicken-style meatballs are also delicious after air frying, and cutting them into small pieces to stir-fry with broccoli creates such a surprisingly perfect flavor pairing. Cut the broccoli into small florets, wash them thoroughly, and set aside for later use. Cut the vegetarian crispy chicken into small pieces and set aside. Using scissors makes it simpler for me, haha. All the ingredients are ready. Start by stir-frying the vegetarian crispy chicken until fragrant. Frying it a bit enhances the aroma. Once it turns golden brown, add the broccoli and stir-fry together. Just season with a teaspoon of oyster sauce and salt. If the vegetables seem to dry, add a little water along the edge of the pan while stir-frying. Broccoli tastes best when stir-fried until just tender, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Avoid overcooking to keep its bright color and crisp texture. You can test it by piercing a floret with a fork. It should be slightly firm yet easy to bite through. The fragrant vegetarian crispy chicken stir-fried with broccoli is now ready, perfect for a cozy homemade meal. If serving guests, try arranging it with a bit more care for an inviting presentation. This dish features a delicious combination of savory, crispy vegetarian chicken with the fresh, crisp texture of broccoli, offering a satisfying and wholesome taste. It's a flavorful and well-balanced vegetarian option that pairs wonderfully with steamed rice. This dish is rich in protein from the vegetarian chicken and packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants from broccoli. It offers a nutritious balance that supports overall health while being low in saturated fat. Broccoli is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which help promote skin radiance and slow down aging. Its high folate content supports women's reproductive health and hormonal balance. Additionally, the fiber in broccoli aids digestion and may contribute to maintaining a healthy weight. Broccoli is rich in vitamin K and calcium, which help maintain bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. The antioxidants it contains, such as sulforaphane, can help slow cellular aging and support brain cognitive function. Additionally, its high fiber content promotes intestinal motility and improves digestion and metabolic health in the elderly. Broccoli offers 3 key benefits for children. First, it's packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, calcium, and iron, which help support healthy growth, strong bones, and a robust immune system. Second, it contains compounds such as lupine that are great for eye health and protecting vision, while also supporting healthy brain development. Third, introducing broccoli early helps children develop healthy eating habits. Its fiber aids digestion and helps prevent constipation, making it a great vegetable for building balanced diets from a young age. For men's health, broccoli is a particularly beneficial food. It's rich in vitamin C and selenium, which help boost immunity and reduce fatigue, supporting better energy levels for daily activities. The antioxidants it contains, like sulforaphane, assist in reducing inflammation and can contribute to long-term prostate and cardiovascular health. Additionally, the high fiber content in broccoli aids metabolism and weight management, making it a valuable part of an overall healthy lifestyle. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe, definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.